What up? What up? What up, guys? So I'm finishing it off. I got the water in here already. Vacuumed it out. Assembled my new shop vac. Our new shop vac. I already say mine, but what's, you know? Okay, go ahead and she's in there. Straight. Go ahead and turn on the pump. Please work. Please work. Okay, go ahead and turn it off. Wait, hold on. Turn it on again. They're all coming out. Look, see, they're all coming out. Okay, go ahead and turn it off. So it's all coming out. Everything's working. What I'm gonna do now is Ron's crazy family zone. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go get the pads and go from there. Go ahead, Shape, you're done. Oh wait, hold on. Let me hold on. Wait, she's not done yet. Hold on. Let me go get the pads. So I'm out here, I'm getting the pads real quick, okay guys? Okay, hold on. Knows how to do this, but I'm just doing my daily vlog and what I did today and a little tip that I did. See, the holes are open more. Go put this one up. Ooh. I'm bringing this one back out because I soaked it the wrong way. Soak. Oh, watch that too far. Like so. I'm gonna take it back and then I'll come back for you guys, okay, with the last one. do the last one. Push that hose more that way. My pants are falling. Excuse my pants. So the way you put these into is pretty easy. Go in through here, I don't know. Go in through here. And here. Slide right in to the lip. Oh shoot, turn on. You can turn on the pump and then turn on there. Turn it on, baby, turn it on. Turn it on low. Does it fill? Did a lot of dust come out? There you go. Go check it out inside. I just flipped all this in, but what I'll do is take off my shoes. I made a mess, kind of. But what I have to also do is turn on the little knobby outside. So let me go turn that on. Or let me go see real quick what's inside. Then I gotta turn that little knobby on inside. Oh man. So now when we be baking and stuff, it'd be a little bit cooler because man, it was hotter than hot. So we're gonna let that run like that for a while. But the new pads that are in there, it's gonna smell patty. Yeah, new pad like. So when I come over here, I gotta come here. And this is how I have my water. Excuse. I think. See. But, okay. So see, just to turn on the main water faucet right here. Gotta turn this little guy on. You turn this little guy on, and it goes through this hose, and it goes through this hose, and goes to the pump. And like I said, I like to do little projects and stuff like that. So don't be thinking I'm tripping or I'm on one or whatever. I'm cool, guys. Don't trip. Chocolate chip. I'm good, okay? So yeah, do like so. Then when you turn this water off, you hit this one right here. Hit this one. There you go. So that hose goes all the way. See, this hose goes all the way. That way my brother, I think my brother We bought it, and I think me and my brother picked it up. See, it comes all the way right here. Boom, boom, boom. So, there's the air conditioner, guys. I hope y'all like it. Like I said, and those things that are up on top, the water's gonna go full right through smoothly, guys, smoothly. So, Nene, come on, Nene, come on. Me and Nene say bye to this vlog. Come on, Nene. Nene, come here. Come on, Nene. Nene, come on, check it out. Right here, check it out, Nene. Right here. Nene, right here. She's a little hunter, man. As soon as you say right here, she be hunting. Look at her. Check it out right there. Right there. Right there. Over there. Check it out. See? Right there. Oh, I'm just kidding, guys. I can't be doing that to her. She's a good dog. Well, y'all have a good day, blessed day. And I'll do one about the shop vac that I got. Got it from Walmart. But I'll do a video for that too. I did some reviews on it, and it's a pretty good shop vac, so I better drop one too. So y'all have a good day. God bless. Everybody be safe out there, and many more days for everybody to come. All right, peace out. Peace.